guys, in this tutorial we'll learn how to create a custom page template on WordPress. So as we are doing a custom based WordPress development, so in that case there should be multiple pages, right? Like about our services, our team, whatever. So let's create a custom page template and how we can create a custom template first. So in that case, first of all, we need to create a page in the backend. Suppose we are going to create a page for services. So go to the backend page area. Here you can see, you can click add new, or here you can also click. So click add new options over, and just create a new page called services. Okay, so you can see the page has been created now. So I just created a page called services. Now we are going to create a custom page template here. So this is the template section. So we need to create a custom template for services, then we can select uh, for services page. So how we can create that? So let's go to the FileZilla, the theme file area. Here you can see the themes folder. So just click on it, and this is a theme folder is opening up, and then you can see our theme child. We are using a child theme, so let's go to the child theme first. So now, as we already created a folder for the pages called page templates, so just click on it. You can also add multiple folder here. So we already created homepage.php before. Now we are going to create a services page. So just here you can see create new file. Just click on it and just uh, create new one, services.php. So you can see uh, the services page.php has been created. Now we need to open this file in our file editor. I am using a Komodo editor, so it will open up here. You can see it's opening. Now you can see our services.php is open, but there is nothing on this PHP file right now. So first of all, creating a custom page template, we need to create a custom template syntax right now. So what is the syntax for custom template, so that we can assign? So here is the syntax for PHP. Then this one, then you can type template name colon, and um, just put your page name here, services. Then again, now you can add your header file. So how we can call header? Like this way we can add a header portion. So page template name is services, and this is the header part, and now we also add footer part as well. So at the bottom we can add same things like a get footer. Okay, so this is the syntax to create a custom page template. Just save this. So template name is services, and this is the header part, and this is the footer part. Now now in this blank area we can add our custom HTML, whatever we want. Okay, so this is the method we can easily create a services page. Now we can check the services page has been created or not. Just save this file and upload it to the server. So once you upload it to the server, just go to the backend services page backend and refresh this page once, and once you refresh this page, you can just click on template area. You can see the services page template has been created, and we can select the services page template here. It's loading. So once you refresh this page, just go to the template area and you can see the services template has been created, and you just need to select services template and update the page. So now our page custom page template has been connected to this page. So let's view this page first. So once you view this page, you can see this is the header part and this is the footer part, and our services template has been connected to this page. Now we will add some stakes over there so that we can understand that this page, this custom template has been worked or not. So let's go to the file again. So before we have done something on page.php file for the banner section structure. So we will just take the code, php file page.php, just few. You just copy the banner section code, that's it for the banner area. You can add your own code here. So I am going to add the banner section like this. So save the code and upload it to the server, and once it's uploaded to the server, just go to the back end, just refresh this page. So now you can see services page banner section already appeared over there. For testing purpose, we can add a text something like, and save and upload it to the server. Now it's uploading to the server. Now it's uploaded. Just refresh this page again. So once you refreshed this page, you can see the text has been appeared in the services page. So our custom page template services has been connected, and now we can add our custom HTML for the services page in the body of the area. That's it. So using this method, we can easily create custom page template on WordPress website.